Hey, I'm Kevin, and I'm here to pack up your brand new 2026 Spring Curiosity Box. This is the subscription for thinkers. It's packed with exclusive science inventions we created so you can't get them anywhere else. And it's limited edition, so once it sells out, that's it. It's gone for good. And I'll explain why our new box looks like a surreal zebra at the end. First up, because it's your spring box, we're arming you with a custom spring break t-shirt. Surfer Inc. is here with a very special party punch recipe, which, if you follow very closely, will result in making Yellowcake uranium concentrate. It's a shirt that's part fun, part science, and the first part to harnessing nuclear power. Please don't actually handle radioactive materials at home. We don't advocate or recommend that, but you can just wear this shirt that makes you look carefree, cool, and laid back, but is actually serious science. Now let's get dead cute. Here is an Ambicutie rabbit. It's just a normal rabbit, right? And then, wait, no. Here is the Ambicuties duck. What is this? We are thrilled to reveal the greatest development in the history of plush animals in our lifetimes. Introducing our first ever Ambicutie, the Rabbitduck Plush. Ambicutie is a word with the prefix ambi, meaning both, and cutie, meaning cutie. Modeled after the famous rabbit-duck ambiguous illusion, this plush can be both a rabbit or a duck, depending on its orientation and your perception. We've also included a sticker pack of several potential Ambicutie plush designs that we would love to make in the future, including the Mowl, the Elowan, and the Squidoo. Let me know if you want us to make more Ambicuties, the most clever plush ever invented. Speaking of clever, Inc.'s Curious Egg Molds will make sure that you, and this is very important, never eat an egg-shaped egg again. We invented this set of 3 different shapes to mold your hard-boiled eggs into a diamond, a D6 die, or Einstein's iconic tongue face. Now we gotta hard-boil some curious eggs. Alright, after hard-boiling the eggs, carefully peel and place the hot egg inside the mold. Do not hurt yourself. Now chuck it in the fridge to cool, and after about 30 minutes, remove your freshly shaped egg, and finally, you can eat Einstein's head. Finally, we crafted a magnetic fastened pin featuring the periodic snail. This is an alternative periodic table of the elements created by Theodore Benthey in 1964 that shows the periodic patterns more clearly than the traditional table. It highlights the continuity of elemental relations and will highlight your backpack, corkboard, jacket, or black long-sleeve shirt. Don't forget, your box also includes the fantastic Curiosity magazine, which is packed with articles detailing the history and science of each item in your new Curiosity box. So much research goes into the development of everything we make that we want to share that knowledge with you. We've even included a little behind the scenes of birthing the Rabbitduck Ambicutie from concept to physical object in your hands. Lastly, every box comes with a product card that gives you a rundown of everything that's inside. So we have the Rabbitduck Plush, Inc.'s Curious Egg Molds, Ambicuties sticker pack, Yellowcake Spring Break t-shirt, and the periodic snail pin. Everything is safely packed inside our latest custom shipper box covered in dazzle camouflage. This illusion creates an apparent distortion of shape and was famously used on World War I warships to conceal their shape, or I guess more famously used by zebras. We chose this design to thematically tie in with our duck-rabbit illusion because, well, we can't stop thinking. This is the Curiosity Box by Vsauce. We're on a mission to make the world smarter than it should be, and it's for those of you living the life of the mind.